Afternoon everybody. Just let you know we heading off to Scotland. Just sorted out van out, we've got everything we need now. Water tank's full. Even managed to carpet my door. Finished all that. We're all packed up, everything's ready to go. So I'm going to set off for Scotland. We're going for, I'm off work now for 2 weeks, so probably go for near enough 2 weeks. I'm just going to head up towards Edinburgh and see where we go. We've not planned anything, got nothing booked. Just going to use park for night. So we'll set off probably in about 10 minutes and we'll catch up later on. Keep watching. Right, we're just about to set off now. Just go around at mother-in-law's, just waiting for Kath to stop gabbing and come out. You know what they're like when they get going? Say no more about that. Yeah, dear. Right. Put them on there. So we're going to head up towards Scotland. I'm just going to head north from Derbyshire, so get on to M1, go north, weather, and just stop when I get fed up. Whether that's Yorkshire Dales, I've got Yorkshire Dales in my mind. I like it up there. Yorkshire Dales, Yorkshire, is it Hawes and Leyburn and that area. I do like it up there, so possibly it's a lovely day today, so I might stop round that area tonight. I'll catch you later. Welcome back. We're just done 100 miles. We're up near, we're about 10-15 miles from Scotch Corner. And we're going to pull in there and have a bit of dinner ding-dongs. Have a sandwich or something. Cup of tea. Time for a cup of tea. There's a rest area in 2 minutes, 2 mile I mean, so it's not 2M. I'm south 2 minutes, not 2 miles. So shall we stop there? I wonder if that is Scotch Corner. Might just pull up at this one then if it's not Scotch Corner. Let's have a look. There's a sign coming up. That's one sign. Leeming Bar rest area. That'll do, won't it? It's not there. Yeah. Right, we're going to pull into this one then. Leeming Bar. Never heard of it. We're going to have some dinner. So I'll catch you in a bit. Bye for now. I just got pulled into this Leeming Bar services. It's not up to much, to be fair. This big area down here looks like not sure if it's overnight parking or there's a sign there. We'll have a look in a minute, but I'm not. There's a petrol station, bit of a car park. Well, I'm not impressed with it, to be fair. It's alright for now. It's alright for a quick stop. Just taking Henry a bit of a walk down here. So can I wait? What have we got here? Chargers. 2 hours free. HGV caravans, trailers. £18 for 24 hours. £100 fine if you don't abide by them rules. Come on. Shouting. I shout him all the time, he's deaf. Lovely day. Oh, it's trapped me. You're right, dog. Take him for a week. Go back to Van and have a cuppa and a ham cob, I think. Well, it's ham cob from where I live. Might be something different up here. Maybe barm cake or something like that. I'm not getting into that big debate though. Alright, I'll catch you in a bit. This is the stopover for a break. Bit of a garage. I think there's a Costa behind that lorry. And we just parked over there in car park. Like I say, it's not great surfaces. I even doubt there's a toilet. Catch you later. Just made a cuppa. And with this new gadget we bought, I think it's about 25 quid. Basically you just fill it with water, it's like a flask. Let me show you. I'll show you into singing. So you just fill it with let me open it up. Just fill it with hot water or cold. Put that on there, push that down, and then that's just open and close, just for carrying it about. But open, and you just literally push that. And we've got, as you can see, we've got put boiling water in there this morning, and it stops hot.
12 hours.
It's made a cuppa.
Stops for 12 hours.
Is it 12 hours?
Yeah. About 12 hours.
And Cass doing as a ham cob. Yeah, that's yours. He's looking for a treat now, aren't you, Henry Bobs? You're a good dog, you are.
Can't get my treat from doing this.
Old man now, aren't you?
Smack you.
Pardon?
I will smack you.
Why? I've not done anything.
You are like a cheap boy.
What have I done?
I'm not done nothing.
I've done anything. I can see you looking out going, yeah, I know.
I wasn't.
Hey? Don't start jabbing.
Don't stop. Tired.
Can't go down, right?
Tired.
Hey?
Tired.
Oh yeah. We've done about 180 miles from Derbyshire up to just over past Newcastle, a place called Morpeth. There's the van. Not too bad, been a nice day today. It's dropping a bit cool now, the sun's gone down. It's about, must be about 7 o'clock now. Just taking Henry for a quick walk. Quite a nice park up this. It's on park for night. There's a car over there, but there's only us there at the minute. And take dog for a walk. And go and settle down for tonight. I'm planning on putting a video out every day this next week or so while we're travelling to Scotland. So hopefully you'll join me. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's free to do it, and it helps the channel grow a bit. Come on, Henry. So I'm going to end this video here. Thank everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe. Like I said, take dog a walk, go back there, a cup of tea and settle in for the night. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.